Welcome everybody, this is my unboxing and building of the Tamiya 2011 Avante. I'll now do just a quick run around the outside of the box. I'll do the top and all the sides. Here's the inside of the box. The set out and detail of this is so amazing. Now I've got everything all out of the box, all laid out. So many parts in this kit, quite amazing. Going through the manual now. First couple of pages, a few safety and precautions and that in the manual. Very good to read. Some tips and stuff, and all the tools and what is required to do this kit. Straight into step one. How awesome is this motor? I didn't really want to open any of these blister packs. This kit is so amazing. Also in this kit, it comes with all the required bearings, which is really good. I like getting all the parts out required for each step, so that way you don't forget anything, you don't miss any parts. Quite like the differentials in this vehicle. Very strong and smooth, and designed to last. Just have to be careful with these little balls here that you don't lose any, and use the right grease that's allocated in the kit. Also separate to the manual there's a separate piece of paper just with these instructions, which is actually changed from the manual, so please take note. Really like the carbon fibre in this vehicle. These axles can be a little bit tricky to get together as well, but not too bad. Please, take note of all the pictures and where things need to be and the measurements. So the front axles go together the same as the rear ones. Just make sure you use that anywhere grease. Definitely makes them last and get that longevity out of the axle joints. Really love the suspension components in this vehicle. Very shiny, really stand out, makes the car look amazing. So onto the shocks now. I just used the oil that was supplied in the kit. So up to installing the radio gear now. I'm using a FlySky receiver and transmitter. Also using a 1060 Hobby Wing type speed controller and a 25 kilo steering servo. The battery there's just a vintage Tamiya 1700 battery. Trying to make all the wires all neat and tidy. Just got to make sure you got room for the driver cockpit to bolt in as well. Now to make sure it all works, now fitting the tyres with the tyre foams to the wheels. With the tyres, I soak them in like silicone spray for a few days first, just to make sure they soften up a bit. Plus, it makes them last a lot longer as well. Got the little decals there for the wheel locks as well to put on. Plus, with the silicone spray on the tyres, it just makes them look a bit shiny. It makes it look good. Now to get some painting done, just going with the colours that's recommended in the book for the helmet and cockpit for the driver. got the decals there as well to put on once it's all painted up and dry. Here he is, all bolted into the car. Yeah, came out pretty good. Time for the body now, getting it all cut out and smoothed off and finished, and taping up the window as well. Yeah, probably not my favourite job to do with these Tamiya builds is taping up things, but yeah, just always try and take my time and try and have some patience with them. I always use the genuine Tamiya scissors. Yeah, I've got the decal scissors there for the decals, and yeah, the other ones for the body to cut out as well. Using the box art metallic blue paint for the body. Came up pretty good. Putting some decals on now. Quite happy on how it's turned out. Yeah, it's come up pretty good. Got all the decals on now. Being nuts is neat. Really love that sticker because really this car is quite nuts. Nah, it's really neat. Yeah, really like it. Yeah, everything makes it pop on this. Like, yeah, especially the anodized gold shocks and yeah, just everything. Yeah, it makes it look really well. Now just going through the rest of the pages in the manual. Also, yeah, here's all the listed parts that's in this vehicle. Gives you all the part numbers and everything, just in case you break something and need to try and order some more parts. At least you got the part numbers there as well. And there we have it, all done. Very happy on how it has turned out. Also, here it is with my original 1988 Mark I Avante as well. Also keep an eye out because I'll probably do a differences video between this 2011 Avante and the original 1988 one as well. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, maybe check out some of my others as well. Thank you.